Hello traders, before we get into this one, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5, one that comes loaded with a bunch of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below, so you can go grab that first. All right, so in this video, I am reviewing the AXIO Gold EA for MT5. As the name tells you, this one is an MT5 expert advisor built specifically for XAUUSD or gold. All right, so here on the marketplace page, it is listed at 1,099 US dollars, currently on version 1.65, developed by Shengzhu Zong, who's been building EAs and indicators for probably around 16 years or so. All right. Now, there is also a live signal linked right on this page. We can see that here, which is a nice touch. You can actually see the real trading behavior that this EA is based on and not just a back test. Okay, so we can see here that the link takes us to, an actual signal page that shows the performance of the EA on a live account. All right, here we are seeing we are seeing 163% growth over about 7 weeks. All right. Now, scrolling through the description, a few things actually stand out. The developers upfront that this isn't a fixed indicator crossing or simple breakout system. It's evaluating market structure, support and resistance, and price reaction before it decides a setup is worth taking. And importantly, no martingale. All right, we can see here the EA does not use dangerous martingale, excessive grade expansion, or averaging down into losing trades. Okay, so each trade stands on its own. That's the kind of risk framing I like to see stated clearly. Now, it is also built to be selective. Okay, we can see that the EA is recommended for a particular time frame. The recommended time frame is M1. All right, mainly for execution precision, not because it is scalping constantly. Okay, so don't expect trades every day. Now let us get into the testing. All right, I ran this expert advisor on M1, which is the recommended time frame, right? I ran it on M1 on the XAUUSD symbol, and I ran it from January through mid-July on a demo account, real tick data throughout. Okay, we can see that the modeling is every tick based on real ticks. All right, so then over that stretch, it took 110 trades over that stretch. So roughly 15 to 20 a month. Okay, we can see that the total trades were 110. So it's roughly 15 to 20 a month, which lines up with that selective, not overactive positioning. Now, the profit factor came in at 4.03, and drawdown stayed controlled around 3.74% on the balance, just over 5% on equity. We can see that here. All right, so that's a pretty tight risk footprint for gold. Now, one thing worth noting from the numbers is that the win rate here is high. Okay, we can see that out of 110 trades, 93 were profitable. So we have a high win rate here, which is, over 84%. But the average loss was actually a bit larger than the average win, right? We can see here that the average profit here is $31.61, while the average loss is $42.93. So the average loss is actually higher than the average profit. Okay, so this isn't a system winning through huge risk to reward ratio. All right, it is winning through consistency, with wins clustering in streaks and losses staying mostly isolated. Meanwhile, we can see that I actually ran the test on a balance of $10,000, and the net profit here we have is over 22%, right? Roughly around 22%, 2,209.63. Okay, so historical testing only on one broker, one period. Sorry about that. Um, Historical testing only on one broker, one period, is what we conducted. Okay, we ran the back test on just the recommended time frame. All right, but then remember that results can shift with your spread, with execution, lot sizing, and so on. So I'll still, recommend that you run your own longer term testing, before trusting any of this on a live account. All right, based on what we can observe from the MQL5 Marketplace and our back testing, this expert advisor looks suited to traders who prefer a patient, selective approach to gold rather than constant activity. So I would really recommend that you test it yourself on demo first, and then draw your own conclusions. All right. So let's just briefly look at the chart history. You know, the backtest is already concluded, but we can just look at the chart history for a moment and analyze a couple of trades that we are taking. Okay, so I can see here the balance and equity curve is pretty uh, straight, although there was a significant jump here and a significant decline. But overall, it was a steady growth over time. A steady growth over time is what we have here. And then we can see different dates where trades were executed. We have the 1st, the 8th of January, 8th, 12th, 13th, 29th. So we can also see that not every day had trades executed. All right. Basically, when opportunities are found in the market, then the EA executes a trade. So we can see that there were intervals. There were times when, for several days in a row, no trade was executed. For example, between 13th and 29th, we can see that there were no trades executed here, right? And then we can also see that let's just briefly bring up the tester report so that we can look at that in addition to what we have already seen so far. Okay, so here we have the tester reports, and I was just going through the orders, and I can see here, okay, so 12th, 13th, this is just for confirmation, right? So 19. Okay, so we seem to have a trade executed on the 19th, okay, before 29th. Okay, but between 13th and 19th, we can see that no trades were executed. So basically, this is just showing you that you wouldn't be expecting trades executed every single day. All right. Now, remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, so make sure that you always run your back testing and then also do some forward testing if you are really interested in this EA and do not have high expectations. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.